Lamborghini? You have Lamborghini? Sorry?
I'm gonna ride it on.
You want to ride on my car Lamborghini? But I don't have Lamborghini. Sorry?
I have a Bentley there.
Bentley? I don't have any car. I have a private jet. How about that? Okay, okay. 100%. तू आजा मेरे नाल तेरी मम्मी डैडी आए? You have your mom dad here? You have your mom dad? ਇੰਨੀ ਕਿ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਐਵੇਂ ਨਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਸੰਦ